In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean my saw blades. The resin that builds up on the teeth can cause burn marks on the wood. It also causes heat buildup that will dull the teeth. There's a lot of different ways to clean blades, but I'm going to show you how I do mine. I use a 12-inch baking pan that's real shallow. You can get one of these at the grocery store for just a couple bucks. It's Teflon coated, so nothing will stick to it, and it's real easy to clean. There's a lot of different ways to clean a blade. Everything from baking soda to oven cleaner. But I prefer to use a product that's made specifically for this. This is Trend Products, and there are other ones out there that I've used that are just as good. All you have to do is spray it on and let it set for 5, maybe even 10 minutes if you want. I use a brass bristle brush. Wow, say that 3 times fast. It's aggressive enough to get the resin off the teeth, but it won't damage them. It's important that you get all 3 exposed edges of the tooth: the side, the cutting edge, and the top edge. Turn the blade over and get the other side of the blade. Make sure you clean the back of the tooth also. Believe it or not, resin can build up there. Next, I take the blade to my utility sink. I get the water as hot as I can stand to have my hands in it and just rinse the blade off. Wipe it a few times. It comes off real easily, and then I dry it off with a towel. I'll finish drying it with compressed air once I get it back in my shop. That blade is going to make nice, clean, crisp, burn-free cuts. While you have your cleaning supplies out, go ahead and clean all your other blades. It always makes me happy to look down and see a nice, shiny blade in my table saw. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.